Let's make some snow volcanoes. You will need baking soda, food coloring, vinegar, snow and small containers. Make a volcano shape with the snow and make a hole in the middle. Put the container inside the hole and add baking soda and food coloring into the container and pour vinegar into it. And watch as the volcano erupt. Why does it happen? Vinegar and bicarbonate soda react together to neutralize each other. This reaction releases carbon dioxide, a gas which is the bubbles you see. We had so much fun doing this. We hope you have fun doing this experiment in the snow. Bye! See you in our next video! Please like and subscribe as you have vlogs on YouTube. Like and follow us on Facebook.